Day 2 of the 7-day challenge. I want you to start your day with these 3 words and watch your life transform. Imagine this. You just woke up, you just opened your eyes, and you placed your hand on your heart, and you say this 3 times. I am ready to receive miracles today. I'm ready to receive miracles today. I am ready to receive miracles today. Then you wake up and go on with your day. What you want to do is you want to connect your heart and the ability to open and receive it. So many of us in life are blocking things simply because we are not open to receive them. And even though mentally, when we wake up, we are emotionally and energetic, we are blocking it because negative emotions control is going to cost you the things you want, which is your miracle. Know your authority in your miracle, and you will expect it. You will be tested. Like no views on your TikTok, no comments, no attraction to your business. When your emotions are out of whack, we blame others or things. We judge people and get upset. These are the potholes that we will go through, or you will go through, each and every day. The reason why it's called a miracle is because it's out of your control. But it's your ability to attract it. Expect to win. My miracle is to make $250,000 this year in 2024 and to help my mother out paying off her mortgage. I want to help 5 people to achieve their miracle of making a 6-figure income this year, 2024. Put miracle in the comments, and I'll be happy to talk with you about these miracles or to make it happen and share this blueprint with you.